everyone, myself Tabassum Parveen, the teacher of BM Public School. Today we will know about the oxygen is necessary for burning.
A candle flame is actually in chemical reaction in action. Candle wax is on of the chemical in the reaction. Can you guess what the wax react with? Let's find out in this experiment. Ask the adult you are working with to light the candle. Watch the candle flame start out small and get weaker. Notice how some of the wax near the wick melt. It is melt. As the flame burns, the wax from the candle is reacting with something else to make the flame. What do you think it is might be? Asking the adult you are working with to carefully place the glass jar over the candle. And to leave it there. What do expect? The flame will go out. What's happening in there? Why does the flame goes out? When the jar is covering it, the substance that reacts with the candle wax is oxygen. It comes from the air. Putting the jar over the candle, proving oxygen from outside. The jar from getting in, the reaction can only use the oxygen that is already in the jar. So when that oxygen is used up, the reaction can keep going running out of oxygen, makes it the flame go out.
So today we will know about the oxygen is necessary for burning. Thank you. Hello everyone, myself Tabassum Parveen, the teacher of BM Public School. Today I am going to show the different types of season. In this video, we will get to know about season. We feel mainly three seasons around us. These are winter season, summer season and monsoon season. These seasons has different weather. We also use different type of according to the condition. So let's know about season. So first one is rainy. Rainy season start the month of the June and extend of September. We also call monsoon season. During this time, sky looks cloudy and heavy black clouds. Everywhere, thunder and lightning. Ponds, river and lakes receive plenty during this rainy season. It also helps a farmer to good cultivation of crops. In order to protect ourselves, rainwater, we use rainwear such as raincoat, umbrella, gumboot. We also get variety of fruits during the rainy season. Many creatures found during this rainy season such as frogs, snails, butterfly, snakes. So the second picture is hot. So summer season. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. We start in the month of March after Holi and last June of the July. Summer season comes after the winter season and the weather is very hot and the temperature even warm and sun has got down at night. During the days are longer and the nights are shorter. During the summer season, nature gives to us a variety of fruits and vegetables such as watermelon, mango, papaya, muskmelon and lychee. Vegetables are pumpkin, lady's finger and cucumber. Summer clothes, people wear white colored cotton clothes due to heat. We also use hat, umbrella, cap and sunglasses. We also use air cooler and air conditioner to keep our surrounding cool. During the summer season, we must drink plenty of water to keep ourselves hydrated. So the third picture is wind. A natural movement of air of any velocity, especially the earth, air or the gas surrounding a planet in natural motion horizontally and artificially produce movement of air. So the last picture is cold. It is the winter season. It is the coldest season of the year. It starts in the month of the November and the last till February. Winter season comes after the rainy season. Winter mornings are misty and cold. There is dense fog everywhere. It is the coldest season where around are covered with snow. It is called of snow season. Frost, beating winds and extreme cold. During the winter season, we protect our body with woolen clothes, example sweater, jacket, socks, scarf, cap and mitten. People prefer also use blanket and toilet in this season. People also used to stay indoor and love hot dishes in the daytime. We like to basking in the warmth of the sun and people sitting near the fireplace to keep themselves warm. During this time, the days are shorter and nights are longer. Winter season also gives the fresh fruit and vegetables such as apple, orange, guava, strawberry. So, vegetables are radish, beetroot, and in winter season we observe the festival of Christmas Day. So, today we will know about different seasons. Thank you. Hello everyone, myself Tabassum Parveen, the teacher of DM Public School. Today we will know about the air wet experiment. Today we will know about air wet experiment. Take a rod at one end, inflated balloon, other place, and take the normal balloon with an air. After finishing that, we put a stick on a balancing rod and see the result. In the result, we find out that part of the rod which has the inflated balloon or filled with air get down. As the other part does not have air, balloon goes up, so that air has its down its own weight. So that balloon that has air balloon goes down as it is heavier and compare the balloon that has not have air, it is lighter. So the moral of experiment is air has weight we can experience by the simple experience. Today we will know about the air wet experiment.
Hello everyone, myself Tabassum Parveen, the teacher of DM Public School. Today we will know about the first aid kit.
So, first one is bandage, Dettol, curtain, scissor, band-aid tape, hypoallergenic tape, then antiseptic cream, paracetamol tablet. So, first one is bandage. So, we will know about bandage. A strip of woven material used to bind up wood or protect an injured part of the body. So, second one is Dettol. So, kills germs on household surface. Use Dettol antiseptic liquid to clean and help protect against infection from minor skin cuts and insect bite. You can also use it as a household disinfection. So, third one is curtain. So, absorbent curtain is used for surgical dressing, cosmetic purpose. It is also known as surgical curtain or curtain wool. It is mainly used for medical purpose in hospital, dispensary and nursing homes to absorb the body fluid. So, fourth one is scissor. An instrument used for cutting clothes, paper and other material consisting of two blades laid on one on top of the other and fastened
in the middle so as to allow them to be opened and closed by the thumb and finger. Instead, throw rings on the end of their handles. Also, basically, the scissors are used in operation theatre. So, it is band-aid tape. A band-aid is a small piece of sticky tape that you use to cover small cuts or wounds on your body. Hypoallergenic tape, surgical tape or medical tape. It is a type of pressure sensitive tape are used in medicine and first aid to be hold a bandage or other dressing into a tape. So it is antiseptic cream. These antiseptic creams soothes and heals wounds, protect against infection and can be used to treat cuts and brace minor burns and scald small area of sunburn, dry chapped skin, nappy rash, insect bites, spots and pimples. You can use this medicine if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. So last one is paracetamol tablets. Paracetamol tablets is common painkiller used to treat aches and pains. It works by blocking chemical messengers in the brain that tell us we have pain. It is effective in relieving pain caused by headache, migraine, nerve pain, toothache, sore throat, then period pains and muscles. So today we got the first aid kit. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Tabassum Parveen, the teacher of BM Public School. Today I am going to show the life cycle of plant.
Let's start the life cycle of plant. The life of plant begins from tiny seed. The seed will germinate to start to grow. The seedling will break through the soil. Then the young adult plants start to develop. The adult plant stop growing and produce a flower to more seeds. So it is seed. All plants to go through a life cycle. A life cycle is the changes that happen to a living thing. Most plants start out as seeds. Seeds have a seed coat to help keep them safe. Seeds need water, sunlight and soil to grow. So second one is germination. The seed sucks in water. The seed gets bigger and bigger. It begins to grow. This is called germination. So the third one is seedling. Next, a little root grows into the soil and the sprout grows in their air. The sprout takes in sunlight, nutrients and water. The plant is called seedling. At this part of its life, seedling have a few small leaves. Then young adult. The seedling grows into a young adult. The root go down deep into the soil. The stems are stronger and thicker and leaves are bigger. Then last one is adult. A plant is an adult when it stops growing. With a adult plant grow flower with little seeds inside them. The seed will grow and new life cycle will begin. From this we got to know about the complete life cycle of plant. Thank you.